Hey guys, this is Frienda here with a really quick review. This is bra pad inserts. They're removable so you can actually fit them to whatever application you need. Now obviously if you're not female, you don't need this product, so please, I don't need to read any immature comments. Just click away if this doesn't apply to you. So I have already done another video of a similar product. I have that link in the description and also at the end of this video if you want to check it out. But the difference with this one is it actually has much more padding and it's much more contoured, I guess, towards the human body, and the back of it actually has this sticky residue that it's better to keep it in place, whereas the other one pretty much you just have to insert it and hopefully the tightness of the clothing like a swimsuit will keep it in place. But in this case I've tried it out on both my swimsuit and also my non-padded sports bra. Since this particular set comes in two different colors, a black and nude color, and also two different shapes, there's one that's a little bit more compact and there's one a little bit more spread out. So for my swimsuit I picked the slightly bigger one. It has an additional little padding here at the bottom, as you can see. When you've placed them in, you don't have to worry about them being very obvious. As you can see, for comparison, I have one with the pads in it and the other one without. It's almost imperceptible that the pads are in there, which is definitely a good thing. The whole purpose of this thing is to add additional padding without being obtrusive, and it does apply a little bit of support because of that extra tiny little padded lip at the bottom. And because of that extra adhesive gel thing at the back, I'm actually able to keep these pads in place when I'm actually swimming, which is not always the same case with the other removable pads that I had. So that's definitely a plus. Then moving on to the other size bra pads that they come with, this is slightly more compact one. It doesn't really have a pronounced lip at the bottom as the other one did. This one's much more compact, but it also has a little bit more padding. So I tried out this one with my sports bra without padding, as you can see here. Because of its smaller shape, I just didn't find it very comfortable. It didn't also mimic the natural shape as you would for a bra, so I didn't really particularly use the smaller size one very much. And also to point out in terms of sizing, they unfortunately don't have any other larger sizes, so the one I have here would only fit bra size A cups, so if you don't have that size, this really isn't for you. So this product is geared more towards people with A cups and who need to apply additional padding to their garments like swimsuits that don't have padding originally, and also sports bras. But not only that, they may not want this to be a permanent fixture like something sewn into the garment. They want it to be removable, hence the adhesive in the back, which allows you to easily reposition it if you say placed it wrong the first time or you need to make some adjustments later on. But at the same time, the adhesive stays in place when you need it to, which is definitely a plus. In terms of actually washing and caring for this item, you would probably want to separate it from the actual garment when you want to wash it. I personally put it in one of those laundry mesh pouches that I put in together. That way it wouldn't catch on the extra lint and hair that can easily stick to the adhesive side. Well, all in all, I think this is definitely targeted to a smaller demographic, but it does do well towards that targeted audience in being removable, relatively inexpensive at around $10 when I bought it. It has 4 sets. I just kind of wish that the other size was a little bit more ergonomic, and I pretty much was exclusively only using the larger sizes, the one in black and also in the nude color. But I do appreciate that those colors are offered in this package, since that's probably the most universal color that you would want. If you're in the market for something like this, as usual, I'll put the link in the description for you guys to check it out. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a like. It'd be greatly appreciated. And make sure to subscribe to my channel, Skyforce95, if you haven't already, to get more content like this. Or if you're watching this on Amazon, head over to my channel URL right here, or just search it up on YouTube, Skyforce95. There you'll see a bunch of my product reviews and unboxings. Feel free to browse, or if you want to search for something specific, just hit that search field. That'll do it for this video. This is Skyforce95. Thanks for watching.